of 2025 and what is done in 2026. So this is the same. I'll interchange with both. I won't have a presentation that says reflection or that. I'll combine it. So what are we saying? Last year, at the end of the year, and this year, it's the same. KZN runs the largest examination, not only in the province, but also in the country. So that still stands. Out of all the 9 provinces, when they calculate the candidates that wrote matric, 750,000 that wrote, 175,000 of those candidates belong to KZN. So 1/3 of the results belong to KZN. So what am I saying? I'm saying even this year, it's the same thing. For this year, we are saying, as KZN, we want to make sure that we run a credible and an exam with integrity. And why I'm saying that up front? I'm saying that because some of you colleagues, we use you to be monitors. We use you to go and check exams, and we want to say thank you for the work that you did last year at DDG. We did have challenges, but the challenges seem to have reduced in terms of irregularities, and it is the contribution of the colleagues who are sitting here before us. So this year, this is the challenge that we are sitting with. We have already 187,000 candidates that will sit for matric. So unonhlanhla that does maths, masisiphuma la siyophuza uzobe secalculatile ukuthi 95% uzoba yingane engaki lapha. The full time only nonhlanhla. Ngiyazazi mina kodwa ngifuna ukuchecka nje ukuthi mina angenza izibalo angayenzi maths. No maths lit. But the strangest one, DGD, is the one for the part-time candidates. Last year, we're not part-time, but I think these are the progress candidates. Last year we had 4,000. This year we have 14,000. Now some of these part-time candidates or these progress learners will be there. So in whatever we do, we've got to make sure we maintain the strategy we used to get up to the percentage that we got. And hence to also say, in terms of passing, because I'm reflecting on last year, quintile 1, 2, and 3 produced 111,000 candidates, which is equivalent to 65% pass rate of what we've got. And from the Model C schools, they only produced 35%, and they were about 46,000 that have passed. So the results actually emanate from the deep, rural, disadvantaged schools. Those are the schools we need not throw away and keep a close watch on them.